In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an object in Capcut using your iPhone. This simple process will allow you to enhance your video projects by seamlessly integrating images or videos as overlays. Whether you're new to Capcut or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your project stands out with creative flair. Let's start by launching the Capcut app on your iPhone. If you're new here, don't worry, Capcut is an intuitive video editing app, perfect for creating eye-catching content. Once the app is open, you'll either need to open an existing project or create a new one. If you're starting from scratch, tap on New Project, select your base video from your library, and hit Add to begin editing. Once you have your project ready, direct your attention to the bottom menu where you'll find various editing options. Here, tap on Overlay. This feature allows you to layer additional media over your base video, a handy tool for adding depth or emphasis to your content. After accessing the Overlay menu, you'll want to tap on Add Overlay. At this stage, you can browse through your photo and video library to choose the perfect image or video file you wish to overlay. Make sure the file aligns with the theme and tone of your main video to ensure a cohesive look. Once you've selected your overlay, it's time to position it on your screen. You can resize and move it anywhere, giving you complete control over its placement. Tap and drag the overlay to your desired spot and use pinch gestures to adjust its size. This flexibility allows you to highlight certain aspects of your video or create unique visual effects. With your overlay in place, it's time to get creative with the array of editing tools available. Tap Edit and explore options to adjust the overlay's opacity, where you can make it more or less transparent. You can also add animations or special effects to bring extra life to your object. By tweaking these settings, you can ensure that your overlay seamlessly integrates with the rest of your project, enhancing the viewer's experience. Once you're satisfied with the position and appearance of your overlay object, tap Export. This action will save your edited video to your device, preserving all your hard work. Be patient as the export might take a moment depending on the length and complexity of the video. And that's it, you've successfully added an object to your video in Capcut on your iPhone. This skill can be a game changer for your video projects, adding a professional touch with almost no effort. Practice and experiment with different overlays to discover what works best for your style. Thanks for watching and happy editing.